Okay, in this video, we're going to go ahead and create a quick funnel where people can purchase a $75 personal training session. As an example, we've already added the product under payments and products. So it's already been created here. Please watch the other video to see how to create products. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the funnels and forms. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to hit new funnel. But additionally, you are able to duplicate a funnel if if you want to start from scratch, which we highly recommend. But we're going to go ahead and hit new funnel, and we're going to name this personal training session funnel. We're going to hit create. Okay, and we now have our funnel project open. So let's go ahead and set up the steps. That's the first thing you want to do when you're creating a funnel. So the first thing is going to be that sales page. And it's going to be, we're going to call it book a session. And we're going to create the funnel step. And then we're going to create another one where we're going to redirect after they purchase. Thank you. Next steps. So we'll tell them what the next steps are. Okay. So it's two steps, step one and step two. Okay. The first thing I like to do is I like to go ahead and add a domain for the actual funnel. So you'll select your domain, hit save. Okay. Because we want these funnel steps to go ahead and have a URL, and we want to customize these URLs based on our preferences. So in this case, that's a fine, and that's fine, yeah. So we're going to go ahead and start designing the funnel. So we're going to hit create from blank. Now let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and add a cool little call to action. Book your session with our coaches. And let's go ahead and make it look cool. We're going to give it a background. We are going to go ahead and add some color. Okay. Here's where we're going to go ahead and add what's called a two-step order. Okay. There's a one-step order and two-step order. There's pros and cons to this. With the two-step order, you're able to retarget abandoned carts with text because they have to fill out the first step. And if they don't fill out the second step, then you're able to do that in the workflows. With the one step, again, it's easier because it's just one form they have to fill out. I'll show you. So this is step one and step two, okay? And with the other one is just one big form, which is pros and cons. I mean, we sort of recommend if it's going to be a like an ebook or something they're downloading, one step is fine. If it's something like this, I would recommend two step. And the reason for that is because you can retarget abandoned carts. And that's always important, and and you can actually watch a tutorial on how to do that in the fast track course. But we're going to go ahead and choose a two-step, and we're going to finish editing this page. So we're going to add another section at the bottom, and let's go ahead and darken that, and we'll add one column. I'm going to go ahead and add some text. American Fitness Center. And what I like to do is let's go ahead and make this two sections instead, two columns. So let's delete this. We can add a little headline there. Two-step. And what we'll do is let's add a little image as well, like an image. One-on-one time with one of our coaches. Oh no, I'm not good at copy. So we'll do meet your fitness goals in 2020. Make that bold, and we'll increase the font. And the cool thing about our funnel builder is you can actually click on the image and go to Unsplash. And let's go ahead and put fitness and see what we got. And we can actually pull up something right here. Let's go ahead and use that one right there. Okay. So now we can actually click on the checkout. And at the bottom, if you'll scroll down, there's a sell action. You'll want to make sure it's going to the next step, because the next step in the funnel is that thank you page. Okay. Now let's go ahead and customize this because it says shipping. We want to update this. So click on the checkout, step one, We're going to go ahead and name this your info. And on step 2, we'll name this payment info. Okay. And let's go ahead and remove the company name. We can remove shipping, make it really nice and clean. Okay. Step 2. Looks good. Okay. So now we actually change the color as well. Again, always change it to match your branding. And this is ready to go. So let's go ahead and name the page. Book a private coaching session. And always add a social image in case you share this on social media. Let's go ahead and get that same image. Fitness. Okay, so in case you share it on social media, that link, it'll look good. We're going to hit save. Okay. Before we go back, we're going to go ahead and finish out the thank you page. So let's go ahead and do the same thing. We're going to start this from scratch. And let's make this dark. Thank you for booking a session. Our team will be reaching out to you soon to schedule. Again, I mean, we could have put a calendar here for them to self-book, but just in this example, we'll go ahead and just do a thank you page. And let's go ahead and add an image. And let's just put Jim. There we go. And it's ready to go. So let's just put a thank you. Say we don't have to put a social image on this because you won't be sharing the thank you page, but it's ready to go. So now all that's missing is we need to go add that product to these steps. So anytime you're selling products in the funnel builder, you can't forget to add a product to the steps because if you have a checkout like we do right here, and we actually visit the actual page and you try to purchase, this is what's going to happen. Text here. It's going to say no products available. Okay. So in order to fix this, you need to go to products, add product, search for products, and here it is, personal training session. Okay. Search for price, save. Now, when we go back and try to purchase, there it is, $75 for 1 hour. They can purchase. It's going to take them to that thank you page that's on this right here. So this is just a quick overview. I mean, this is very simple to set up. This is how you can sell your products using the funnels. This is a very simple tutorial. There's other things you can do: upsells, downsells, bump orders. Again, sell subscription products, and you can redirect them to a calendar or a form to fill out after they purchase. Many things you can do. Again, it's important to integrate the workflows with this. Whenever a purchase happens, you can schedule many things out, but we'll go over those things in another video. This is just how to add the products to the funnels.